through the back. Fears crawling through the windows, waiting for them to attack. They say don't get bitter, get better. I'm working on switching them letters, but tell God I'ma need a whole lot of hope keeping it together. I'm smiling in everyone's face, I'm crying whenever they.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be posting a video and vlogging about a barbecue. It's almost done. I'll see you guys when it's done. Huh? Is barbecue done yet? Let's go check. It's been like 30 minutes. The food will be done in a little bit. Guys, it's been about like 5 more minutes. And yeah, it's about to be finished. I left it on. They just came in and told me that it's about to be finished, so, and they'll tell me when it's done. So, see you in a second. Sorry guys, I just saw the last clip. The words were all wrong. Yeah. So you could just ignore the words and just listen to my voice. So peace out. Hi guys, tomorrow we are going to start a new Minecraft series on my Nintendo Switch. Let me just turn it on. Okay, yeah. Look guys, we're going to start a new Minecraft series tomorrow, so make sure to tune in. I already started playing for like 5 minutes, but it doesn't really make a difference. But peace out. See you in a second. I didn't know you guys were there, but here I'm starting the Minecraft series. You guys can see.
Main menu. Play screen. World step. Press the button L to tab left. Loading resource pack.
It's survival, by the way, guys.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to like record like this with Phil, guys. Okay, I'm just signing you guys up and okay, here it is. Oh, this is really hard actually, since, oh wait, I have an idea, like this, oh wait, yeah. Okay guys, so that's all I can show you today. I couldn't show you a lot because the Minecraft series actually starts tomorrow. So yeah, the barbecue is about to start and see you in a second. They said the barbecue is done as I'm going. Guys, the food is done. It's Italian chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out. And I'll see you next time.